Hi everyone, welcome back to another set of our podcasts and welcome to DRM. By the way, we have Rico and Rosemary. So, kamusta naman kayo guys?
Diyos ko, walang,
Rosemary,
walang,
you go first.
I haven't slept for like 24 hours, so I'm
Yeah.
kind of tired. Yeah,
Actually, wala pa talaga siyang tulog. Kasi
truth.
galing pa tayo ng school. Actually, may online class kami. And sobrang init ngayon.
Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Grabe.
So ngayon, matanong ko lang kayo, di ba, dahil sa sobrang init, Daisy and Rosemary, ano yung mga nafe-feel yung inumin or mga refreshment ngayong summer?
Ooh, you know what? I've seen an advertisement coming from Fiang because I'm a PBB fan, if you're aware of that.
Wow, so
Like,
you're a
eh,
fiancé.
No?
Yeah, above.
yes. So, endorser kasi siya ng Mang Inasal, no?
Mm-hmm.
So, parang earlier, I went to one of the branches of Mang Inasal and I just went there to eat halo-halo. So, I love halo-halo that much
Yeah,
because
so
of
what
her.
can you say about their halo-halo naman? Na-satisfied ba yung cravings mo? Napawi ba yung uhaw tsaka ano
Mm-mm.
mo?
Yeah, creamy siya, guys. Kasi leche flan is the best. And their leche flan is like
I agree
this
with the
Also,
big.
leche plan.
also napabili ka because of the
Yeah.
advertisement. I
So
see.
basically,
So
the
basically,
reason
dahil
why you're
leche ang ano,
buying
yeah.
the
So,
product is
what
because
about your
of,
Rosemary? Ano naman yung nafe-feel mong inumin this summer? Especially sobrang init ng panahon ngayon.
well, I agree with the leche flan because my favorite dessert is leche flan then. But you mentioned that you're buying it because of someone that is endorsing it.
Yep.
So it's not about the product, but the person who's trying
Yeah.
to endorse
Actually, ngayon
the
kasi,
halo halo.
yeah, especially the big brands, no? Kumukuha talaga sila ng mga famous or mga rising artists, which
Mm-hmm.
is mga relevant, para gawin nilang sa brand deal nila. Kasi nga, syempre tayo mga Pinoy, which is mentality naman natin talaga usually ng mga Pinoy, pag pinagsisiksikan, pag pinagpipilahan, di ba, mas dinudumog. So, mas gusto natin puntahan yun. So, kaya di ba, marami sa ating, especially the Fusion Alley, right? If you
Yes,
are,
I
correct.
you
don't get
are,
the
what do you
hype
call
with
this?
Fusion Alley.
Mhm.
What's so good with Fusion Alley?
Actually, ang daming backlash ng Fusion
Mm.
Alley.
Yeah,
Kasi
cause
nagkaroon sila ng different mga vloggers, yung gano'n, yung mga nag-promote. But then again, nagkaroon ng iba-ibang comments, no?
Yeah.
Nagkaroon ng
mm,
iba-ibang reviews na talagang nagpa, sa masa, no? So, if
pero
you are familiar with that, are you familiar with that, Daisuke?
Yeah, actually 'no, ang daming natanggap ng backlash ng mga vlogger kasi
mm-hmm.
number one, hindi daw totoo yung mga sinasabi
Yes,
nila.
hindi daw
Hindi
masarap.
daw masarap.
Especially
The
the
steak,
steak.
are we aware
Oh
of the
yes, oh
steak?
my
Yeah.
gosh.
I'm aware of the steak.
I was able to watch one video from TikTok. It's a very honest review of the steak. Sabi
Mhm.
nila, some of the influencers is saying that, oh, it's so creamy, ganyan, ganyan. The steak is so juicy, ganon. So, because they're, famous, popular, people went there to try. And then there's one girl, I think, when they try to taste the steak, parang gusto nilang iluwa na lang kasi it's not worth
Yeah.
it daw. I
And
I
think
do get
I'm
the
not
point
sure.
of other blogger because taste is subjective, right? So magkakaiba daw tayo ng dila. But
Mm.
then again, syempre nga, pag marami nang nagsasabi na hindi masarap, so usually naapektuhan din talaga yung sales. Which is,
Mm.
yung iba naman kasi sinasabi nila masarap because they are paid blogger, right? So
yeah.
ayun ang
True.
pinaka fallacies nila doon, right? So speaking of fallacies, no, ang daming fallacies na nangyari ngayon. Hindi lang doon sa sinabi natin sa Fusion Alley, the advertisement, and also the politics, right?
Yes,
Grabe ang
agree.
politics sa
Yep.
politics,
Pero
especially
kasi
ngayon na
parang in regards
naunang
with the Fusion Alley, I think then it's better if you really will go there
Mhm.
directly, no, para you will taste it for yourself, not because of
yes,
other
I do
people's
agree with you.
opinion. Kasi parang most of
Yeah,
the time tayo nagpapadala tayo sa opinion ng iba, and
yes.
dahil doon nagkakaroon tayo ng like misunderstanding,
Yeah.
kumbaga, na
Mhm.
hindi naman talaga natin alam mo yun, kumbaga go with the flow. kung anong
siguro
meron,
maging
kung anong
respectful na lang tayo to one another kung ano nila i-review yung foods, no? Para at least iwasan natin yung mga common fallacies. Kasi lalo sa ngayon, no? Mga tao ngayon, no? Pag parang hindi ka agree to their statement or
yes.
against ka with them, i-a-attack ka nila, not just
Correct.
yung
We have
statement but also personally, right? Kasi
Mm-mm.
sa ngayon, kung ano yung uso, kung kanino majority, parang mas gusto nila na dapat papanigan mo sila kasi nga,
Mm-mm.
ay, gusto nila
totoo.
i-accept yung paniniwala nila. Di ba nga, especially nung mga nakaraang campaign. So,
Parang
yeah, if you are
parang may
aware
gusto
of
sabihin
that,
si
and that makes
Daisuke about that.
Yeah, because when we're talking about fallacies, no, especially with the 2022 elections, it's more of the ad hominem that had happened. Because I
Correct.
yeah, I
supported
do agree
certain
with you.
person.
Same.
This person is very, very, let's say, overqualified for that position.
Yeah,
But
Okay.
because of the backlash of some people of fake
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
news attacking that person, not their credentials, medyo
Mhm.
naglaylo yung support. So I'm very sad with those types of Filipino mentality na
Oh my
nangyayari pa rin
gosh.
ngayon.
You know what, Daisuke? I have to actually add to it, like piggyback on it, because I think we don't have the same person that's I mean, we're not supporting the same person. So
Mm.
Yeah,
basically
I
ako
guess so.
naman,
Yeah, yeah.
nagkamali ako. Like,
Yeah.
this person that I'm trying to support is very, ang dami niyang support na talaga from the people. Like,
Mhm.
Mm.
millions, di ba? Millions. So I was like, okay, yeah, he's doing good. He's gonna do great when he's
That
in
is
the,
one of the example of
oo,
bandwagon,
Mm.
right? Kasi
di
kung
ba
sino
nga?
yung,
And then
yeah.
it happens na, ando na siya, and we're not seeing anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I do agree with both of you naman, no? So, kasi hindi naman natin ma-predict yung future. Tsaka, syempre, the
Totoo
fallacies
din.
na nadala tayo sa mga matatamis na ta. At the same time, sinasabi nilang maraming supporter like that. So, actually, some of us, if ayun yung binoto nyo, katulad nung kay Rosemary, syempre, we are giving chances, no?
Yeah.
But then
Oo
Correct.
din
again,
naman.
he proved that he is not worthy of our vote. So, at least,
Yeah.
we know how to vote another, yeah, on
Wait lang,
2028,
red
yeah.
flag.
We're only speaking about personal
Yeah,
experiences,
actually, it's all
Yes.
guys.
about personal,
Disclaimer.
yeah, yeah, without
Please
biases here.
don't
No? So,
cancel
but
us.
for
Charot.
me, because of, common fallacies, especially on politics, which is more prone to politics, I do believe that um, we don't need a, what you call this one, a super intelligent
Mm,
leaders, especially this time. Ano, kasi kung sino pa kasi yung mas mga matatalino, sila pa yung mga
true.
nagtitake advantage. Okay na ako doon sa leaders na hindi ganun katalinuhan, no? But then again, may pusong pangmasa, right?
Totoo
Kasi
din naman.
sometimes, mas ginagamit nilang advantage yung talino nila
Yes.
just to gain, something, power. Ayun na may nakakasad in this natin generation. Na sana mas makita nila yung reality na hindi porket sobrang talino yung tao is mapuprove na yun yung innocence niya, right?
And if you noticed, most of these politicians that we have, they graduated law school. So
Yeah.
basically, if they know law, they
Yeah,
can
they know
bend
how
it.
to
They will
handle and
find
they
a
know how
way.
to defend
Like,
Mhm.
themselves, right?
what they
Kaya
call
medyo
that?
nakakatakot din, but at the same
Oo,
time, medyo tayo na, okay, may alam to sa bata, something like that.
totoo.
Pero, yan, nandun pa rin ang tao niya. Then,
They can
ako
use
na lang
it.
ang tatakbo.
Yeah. Iboboto ko si Rico
Anong
Para
talaga.
klaseng
at
takbo,
least
be?
yung policies na yan, matanggal na yan.
Anong klaseng takbo ba yung sinasabi mo? Takbo sa politics or
Yeah,
yung
sa fun
takbo
run
lang?
lang, kaya ko fun run lang. Yung color fun run lang.
Speaking of fun run, this 2025 to 2026, biglang nag-boom ang fun run, no?
Oh, yes. And even joggings,
Yeah.
walkings, which is a
How do
good
you feel
thing.
about that? Because it's more of about healthy living na. May Strava na nga ngayon eh.
Correct.
Actually, as a working student naman tayo, di ba? So, it's very hard na makapag-participate tayo sa mga fun run, no?
Mhm.
Ang mas nagiging ko ngayon is yung sa drag race because more convenient siya,
Ah,
mapapadali,
Mm.
okay.
diba? Like sila.
Haven't watched any of the episodes, by the way. Pero I know them. Yung mga nag-drag.
Yeah, I know Marina Summers.
Yeah, kasi ang trend,
Hindi ko kilala yun.
especially right
Sino ba
now,
yun?
trend si Maria Sana, Summer and Angel Galak. I
Akala
don't
ko
know
kasi
if
Yeah,
si
it's
ano,
sarcastic or not. If it's
Paolo, who's that?
Paulo
Avelino.
Ballesteros?
Ay, Balesteros. Sorry, Balesteros.
Yeah, that, actually, I'm gonna say Paulo
Sino
Contis.
yun?
I'm thankful na unahan ako ni Rose, ni
Daisuke,
Dice.
mali ka ha.
Yeah,
Mali, mali.
that's another common fallacies, right?
Diyos ko, Lord.
That is another common fallacy. And siguro ngayon, nauuso din yung Dubai Chewy Cookie. Have you heard of Dubai Chewy Cookie?
Yes, but I haven't tasted
Same.
it
Actually,
yet.
na-try ko na siya.
How is it?
Yeah. It's good if you don't like super sweet, yeah. And if you like chewy. But hindi siya ganun ka worth it for me.
Yeah,
Mm,
most of the people are bashing Dubai Chewy Cookie for its, price. For about,
Yeah.
what,
correct.
250 pesos for one. Parang
Yeah,
gummy
it's just
ball.
one
Yeah.
bar, I
Mm-mm.
think.
It's too
And it's
much.
only, it will cost you already 200 to 300 pesos.
Yeah,
Which
it's
I
so
think is
overhyped. The people are
correct.
hyping it.
It's a good thing for those people na has a business, like
Mm-hmm.
yung mga delicacies. Pero it's not budget friendly for commoners. I
Mm-hmm.
mean,
Yeah.
ako commoner din naman ako. So parang napakabigat na nung price na
Yes.
yun.
I think kasi naapektuhan naman yung iba, especially if you are, I don't want to call them naive, no? Siguro curious lang sila,
Mm-hmm.
no? Especially pag yung paid tao na yung sinasabi, ang sarap nito, ganun, di ba? As a Filipino, ano naman tayo na we love to try something new, na parang nagko-create na challenge
we're
tayo. I
Mm-hmm.
think that's, ang daming
we're
fallacy sa
almost
Pilipinas, no? Punta na lang ako ng ibang bansa.
Yes, and I know naman na lahat ay gustong umalis ng Pilipinas, but kailangan na nating
Actually, I do
umalis
love
sa...
Philippines, but I don't like the government. I don't hate the Philippines itself, right? I don't hate our country. I hate those leaders, especially the
true.
system. I don't like the system. I've said what I've said. I don't like the system. I'm so sorry.
Correct. And I second in motion, but as much as I don't want to end this podcast, I think
Correct.
we need to do so. But
Actually,
thank you so
tama ka
much
dyan,
for the
Dice.
knowledge,
Yeah,
no?
but I think, no, ang dami naman natin napag-usapan, no?
Yeah.
And I think for
True.
today's
Muntik na nga tayong
episode,
overboard eh.
yeah, I think for today's episode naman, siguro ang mas natutunan natin na how important it is to confirm, to search muna, to verify, no? Kasi ang daming common fallacies, especially this generation natin, no? Especially nag-spread ang sa social media, no? Mas mabilis na spread.
Mhm.
So it's better
Solid.
to clarify, verify first. At least makakaiwas tayo sa mga false na yan, di ba?
Mhm.
Correct. I agree. So, thank you so much, no? Rico and
Yeah, so we're
Rosemary.
going to end this
Yeah.
podcast with that.
Yes.
So I am very thankful for another episode with you, Daisuke and Rosemary.
Talaga
Syempre, di ba,
naman.
we spent a lot of time for this.
Yeah.
So ayun, I
Thank you
just
din.
want to say, and next, if there's a next time, we will see each
I
other
hope
and
na.
our viewers if they're interested. So yeah, let's end this podcast.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.